Hello traders, my name is Ronak Gajjar and today we're going to do a meditation specifically for trading. If you're trading in any stock market in the world, this is one of the most powerful meditation you can do. You have to practice this for 21 days, any time of the day, but best time is morning or evening before you sleep. So let's start sitting with your back straight, shoulders relaxed. Let's focus on our breath. As you inhale, bring your sharp awareness on your stomach and observe the stomach rising as you inhale and take a long deep breath in. And as you exhale, observe your stomach going in and feel the warm air going out through your nostrils. Inhale consciously and exhale consciously now. As you focus on your breath, with every exhalation, visualize and feel as if you are relaxing your body and releasing all the tension which is hidden in your body. Allowing your legs to relax, allowing your knees, your thighs to relax. Inhale, bringing the awareness on your lower back and watch your lower back relaxing. Breathing in and gently breathing out. Inhale and exhale. Now, as you relax your lower back, move your awareness, your attention to your middle back, to your upper back. Breathe in, consciously breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Observe your entire spine releasing the tension through every exhalation. Breathing in and softly breathing out. Now, keeping the awareness, your focus on your shoulders. Allow your shoulders to relax. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, watching your shoulders, your elbows, your palms, your fingers relaxing. Inhale and softly exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, bringing the attention to your neck, to your face. Allow your neck to relax. Allow your face to relax. Breathing in consciously and exhaling consciously now. With your inhalation, observe a beautiful glow on your face. Inhale and allow this glow to go deeper and spread across your entire body. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhale, exhale. Now, slowly and steadily moving the awareness right in the middle of your eyebrows. As you inhale, keeping the sharp attention between the eyebrows, and mentally repeat these lines after me. I am a consistently profitable trader. Let this vibration of the sentence go deeper as you inhale and softly exhale. Trading is a game of probabilities and I am a winner. Exhale and inhale. I have 100% confidence in my strategy. Take a long deep breath in and exhale slowly through your nose or your mouth. I am able to generate consistent income with my trading. Enter, enter, enter. Allow the sentence to go deeply into the core. Inhale and expand your stomach. And exhale from your mouth, making the ha sound. Or exhale through your nose. I am patient. I do not chase trade. Breathe in. Softly breathe out. I am in control of my emotion, regardless of profits or losses. Take a long deep breath in and exhale through your nose or your mouth now. Inhale consciously and exhale consciously now. I am extremely grateful for my profitable trades. I am extremely grateful to the market. I am grateful to all the money I have for trading. I enjoy the freedom and abundance professional trading is given me. Take a long deep inhalation now and exhale very softly through your nose or your mouth. Gently bring the awareness back to the physical body and slowly move your toes. Move your fingers, keeping your eyes closed. Move your chin from left to right and gently rub your palms together, cupping your palms on your eyes, on your face. Move them on your neck, shoulders, your entire body, and slowly open your eyes. Thank you for attending this amazing meditation for traders. I hope you like this video. Please drop in your comments if I need to improve anything or you want to learn something more. Thank you. Have a wonderful time ahead.